Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to change the color of a bullet point in Canva. So at first open up your Canva website and then just open up a project. So let's type a text here. Let's write bullet point. So just enlarge a bit. So as you can see, here's our text. So let's just say we'll select the whole text here and just click here on the text color. So we'll be able to see many colors here. So just select one color. So as you can see, the whole text has been colored. So let's say if you want to color one single word, that's a bullet point. So just select that specific word here. So after that, just select here, then go here to the color section, just select red. So as you can see, you can change the color of your bullet point in this way. So that's it with the video, guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.